Did you know someone who reads and writes backwards? Welcome to our channel. And today we have something very interesting for all of you. There are many people who often wonder what dyslexia is. Is it just reading and writing disorder, or there are more things that people with dyslexia experience in their life? If you want to find out what other things a person with dyslexia goes through, then stay tuned till the end of this video. We will be sharing 10 interesting dyslexia facts that will definitely help you to understand how people with dyslexia think and act. So let's get started. Number 1. They read from right to left. Have you ever seen someone reading a sentence from right to left? These might sound so bizarre to you, but this is one of the most common dyslexia symptoms. It has been observed that children with dyslexia tend to read from right to left, instead of the usual left to right direction. Researchers believe that this happens because of the visual spatial problems associated with dyslexia. Children suffering from dyslexia cannot properly perceive the space between letters or words, which results in them reading the text from right to left. Number 2. They write from right to left. Just like they read from right to left, children with dyslexia also tend to write from the same direction. This happens because of the same visual spatial problem that makes it difficult for them to keep the words within the lines. Hence, they often write from right to left. However, some may also write from left to right, but in a mirror image. Number 3. They mishear numbers. Have you ever heard someone saying that they hear numbers as letters and vice versa? Well, this is true. People with dyslexia often get confused between numbers and letters that sound alike. This happens due to phonological problems associated with dyslexia, which affects a person's ability to differentiate between numbers and letters. For example, they might hear the number 8 and take it as a letter H or the letter D as the number 3. Number 4. They mix up words while reading. BAs. Another common dyslexia symptom is the tendency to mix up words while reading. This happens because of the visual and phonological problems associated with dyslexia. People with dyslexia cannot properly perceive the shape of each word, which leads them to mix up similar-looking words. Not only that, they also tend to mix up the sounds of words while reading aloud. Number 5. They see letters and words in different colors. Have you ever seen letters or words in different colors? If yes, then you probably have dyslexia. Some people with dyslexia perceive letters and words in different colors, which can make it easier for them to read and write. However, for some others, this can make reading and writing quite challenging. Number 6. They have difficulty in spelling. Spelling is another area where people with dyslexia struggle the most. Due to phonological problems, they tend to misspell words by either adding, deleting, or rearranging letters. Not only that, but they also find it difficult to memorize the spelling of words. Number 7. They mix up the order of letters in a word. Apart from mixing up words, people with dyslexia also tend to mix up the order of letters in a word. For example, they may write the word dog as God, or table as tabel. This happens because of the visual and phonological problems associated with dyslexia. Number 8. They reverse the order of letters in a word, or in addition to mixing up the letters in a word, people with dyslexia also tend to reverse the order of letters. For example, they may write the word draw as ward. This happens because of the visual and phonological problems associated with dyslexia. Number 9. They have difficulty in pronouncing words. People with dyslexia also face difficulties in reading and pronouncing words. Due to phonological problems, they tend to add, delete, or substitute sounds in words, which makes it difficult for them to pronounce words correctly. Number 10. They mix up the beginning and ending letters of words. Last but not the least, people with dyslexia also tend to mix up the letters and meaning of words. For example, extinction for distinction. For example, they may write cat as cat or hot as hat. Fifth. This happens because of the visual and phonological problems associated with dyslexia. So these were some of the interesting facts about dyslexia. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. See you in the next one.